OST is an MS Outlook data file that lets users work in offline mode. Sometimes the OST file size limits exceed and the user faces OST oversized issue. Then it starts creating problems in Outlook like poor application performance, corruption, etc. Now if you guys want to tackle these oversized OST files, then watch the full video. In this video, you will know about how to split OST emails using some simple and easy approaches. We all know that a professional solution is best to solve this issue. Therefore, here we have come up with the best software solution for users. DRS OST Split Tool is a reliable and powerful solution for every user. It can split or reduce OST file size without even making any data modifications. It can break large OST files into smaller PST files. This tool is 100% safe and secure and virus-free. This OST splitter is an independent utility that requires no email client to break OST files. Now let's check out the main features of the software. The software splits or resizes OST files in multiple PST files according to size, date, folder, and sender email address. Breaks OST file data items like emails, contacts, tasks, etc. Allows encrypting new PST files with a password. Support different OST files from MS Outlook 2019, 2016, 2013, and all earlier versions. Now by proceeding further to have a look at the software working. Launch the DRS Split OST tool on your computer system. Click on Add Files or Add Folders button to select OST file from your computer. Now select the OST which you want to split into multiple smaller parts. Click Open. The selected OST file will be shown in the edit box. Click Next to move further. You can see the tree structure of the selected OST files in the left pane of the software. Choose the OST mailbox items which you want to split into small files. Also, select the split option. You can choose to split OST by size, split OST by date, split OST by sender, and split OST by folders. Currently, we choose split OST by date to explain the process. Click Next. Now enter the date parameters into which you want to split the selected Outlook OST file. After entering the date, click Add button to confirm date parameters. Now choose to save OST after splitting as a single PST or as a separate PST. Select the option to ignore duplicate items in the selected OST file. You can also choose to apply a password to encrypt the output PST file. After that, browse and select a location for saving the PST files. Click the Split button to start the splitting process. The splitting process is running on your system. Please wait until it gets finished. Within a few time, the splitting process has been completed. Click OK and then exit the software application. Thank you for watching the video. For more updates, subscribe to the channel. You can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn.